Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to make a quick video about how to build Flutter from scratch. And first of all, let me tell you that I'm so glad that I come back. So I've been away for many years. Okay, so let's get started. So I already installed the Flutter. Just do a quick check. Just do it Flutter Doctor dash V and seems good. So if you didn't install any package or any necessary component, I suggest that you stop this video or maybe pause it and go and check the video about the installation. So it's good now and I'm running well now. So first of all, I want you to delete all the code because I want to show you from scratch what's going on with the Flutter. So just delete it like that and try to run it by press Command S or on Windows Control S. You will see there is no starting point. So the place that you want to start is not import, but it's the void main. Okay, and just do a simple void main here. Okay, and then you have a run app. So this method or function is in the material. Okay, and then you will have to create a new widget, a starting point for that. So in here I will create a folder for that because we will have a lot of ongoing project and example. So maybe I would call it like first module. So I like to call it module. And then here, just add a new file. In Dart, there is no class. It's like the whole uh, file can contain a lot of classes or other thing. Okay, so we call it a file. Okay, Dart file, and then just call it like what is called it? Maybe first app because it's an app, right? And it's Dart, and then you import and you just call material and should be down here, and then you do the quick snippet code. So st and Flutter will create it for you. You can do this in Android Studio and VS Code. It's okay. And you call it first app like that. Okay. And in here, you just delete it and change it to material app. Okay. And home is a starting page. And here I will call it like first page or maybe first screen, and then do it again like that. Material. Okay, st again. Here is the first screen and it's good. And then we will start it from scaffold and then just do the app bar first. Okay, and give it a title. Oh, title like first app that, and then maybe first screen. So our class is first screen. Now we can connect it from here to the first screen, right? And run it from the beginning. Now just give it to the starting point, first app. Okay, maybe we start it. Okay, now we have our app. And in our app, you can uh, give like a screen color with a theme here. Okay, so you can have a theme mode. So this one is the light theme, okay, and this one is a dark theme. And just give the theme data here. So you can give the app bar theme, okay, like that, and then maybe some background color like that, red, right? And then you can do a lot with the theme here, and just show you a quick overview about that. So dark theme is the same theme data, but the brightness is different. Now you want to call it dark like that, and then you can switch it like this, like theme mode, and then use the theme mode. Now you have dark, light, and system. So the system is the one that you change in the setting. So let's use the dark one. See that? Beautiful. And then you can give the app bar color, let's say maybe a blue gray like that. Okay, so it depends on your client, and if they ask you to do any color, just do it for them. So now it's good. You might see some underline here is about the constant constructor. We will talk about it later, but for now you just ignore it. Now if you want to change to the system here, so you have to go to the setting in your simulator, and you go to I think developer, I think, yeah, here the dark one. Okay, so you can go back now and change to the system. Okay, and if you go to the setting and change to the light mode, so now this one will change to the light mode here. Okay, you can do a lot with that, and we will talk about it later in another video, but now just want to do a quick video about that. So I want to have a drawer here, so just call drawer like that. Okay, so in drawer you can have background color as well now, and even shape. And but now we are interested to do the child, and then just give image, and maybe choose a picture from internet. So maybe a movie is good. Sure, maybe Shazam. Yeah, this one is good. But the size is too big, so the loading speed might be not well. So should choose the small one. Mm, yeah, not sure. Um, let's see. Yeah, maybe this one. Okay. And I will declare it outside here, and I call img. Okay, use it as the background of the drawer. Now you have the drawer and the image, and here you can have a fit, box fit dot cover. Okay, we should cover the whole one. Not sure. Yeah, this one. Okay, and even you give the width size now be just 100, 200 like that, 250. So it depends on the client. Yeah, and if you want to move it to the end drawer, just call end drawer like this. And now move to the end drawer, and maybe you want to display this as the background, and you want to promote this movie now. And for the drawer itself, you can have a nice menu here, and I will use now. And the list view needs a list of widget. That's why it changed from child to children. Okay, but it's still widget. So maybe drawer header and maybe icon. That's fine. Okay, just with the face size 100. Right. Okay. And now you can have a menu and use list tile. Okay. And maybe the leading icon. Home. It's good. Title. Home. All right. And maybe trailing. For this one, I use the next. Yeah. Yeah, this one is good. Now we go to next like this. And it has on tab. So you want to turn it off when you click on this. So you call it navigator. Oh, annoying. Off and pop. Pop, it means that you close it. Okay, like this. Maybe 3. And this one is maybe contact. And maybe just call. And this one may be your location pin. Like this. Pin. Not sure which one. Okay, this one. Oh, contact. Yeah, look nice. And also, you can have an image after that as well. You know, you want to show maybe the picture of something. Just want to show you a quick uh, demonstration here. Not sure. Movie there. Um, maybe this one. Yeah. Maybe you want to call it ad, like you want to promote it. Okay. Okay, like this. And it's too big. Maybe you can have like padding. Okay. Maybe this. Okay. Nice, right? Yeah, and maybe you can have like a line like that, you know, after that, and you call it a divider. This, see that, okay? And maybe you can give it a color, but now just give you the basic, you know, widget for this one first. You can have a nice picture in the middle as well. So that one is in the body. Now I will use, you can use the container, but yeah, image again because it look nice. Uh, yeah, this one look nice. This movie is good actually. If you never watch it, it's a Korean movie. It's a sci-fi, but it's good. I'll pick. Okay, and maybe I'll enter. Give it a center. Okay, and maybe change it to dark. I don't know, but we can we have a dark mode for that as well. But yes, just leave it like that, and give a bottom navigation bar, and we use bottom app bar now. And for this one, I use row, and row is you like a layout for that, so it needs a children, you know, option. Okay, just copy the. No, I don't have that one. So maybe icon button. This one, maybe home. What's what's wrong with this? Hmm? Okay, all right. This maybe search. Now the trending for the search is not at the top; it's at the bottom. You can see the Twitter, but now you call it X by Elon Musk, right? And maybe bookmark. I don't know, just an example. Horizon like this, and then you can align it with the main axis alignment. All right. Now I want to have a big icon here, so you can use the floating accent button. Yeah, and you just press Alt Enter, Option Return for this to make it because it's a required method for this. Okay, we will talk about it in the later video about Dart programming language. This one is child, so I use the icon. I don't know, maybe play. Yeah, this one. But I want to place it in the middle here. So you need a location for that. So you call it center dock. This, but you need to give it a space. So this, that's called size block. To be width 40. Yeah, and I want to have curve around that. So Flutter give you an option for that in the bottom app bar. It's called shape, and you call it notch, rounded. What is it? Yeah, this one. See that? And also the notch margin will be 10. See? Now you want to give a color for this to see clearly. So just give the color to the background here. Maybe black. See that? Very nice, right? Yeah. And you can give a color to the bottom navigation bar here if you want to. Yeah. Not sure. Yellow. Yeah. And the top app bar. Yeah, you can assign the color in the theme for the bottom navigation, for the background, for anything here as well. Yeah, you don't have to make the separate color in here. But I want to show you, just want to show you how to, color thing and in a variety way. So this one, I'm not sure. I think mm, black should be nice, right? Yeah, gray. Okay, now you can have an idea for that. And this one, the floating accent button, you can give the color in here as well if you want to. Accent button theme. Maybe pink. All right. Yeah. And bottom app bar color you want to. Yeah, you can change the color, but you have to delete the one in the first screen. Okay. So maybe orange. Mm. So you have to delete this one. Okay. Yeah. All right. So last but not least is about the release this one to the Android app. So you have to make sure that you give the permission in the Android. Otherwise, you cannot see any image at all in the Android app in your phone. Okay. Yeah. So you go here and Android manifest here, and you have to go to debug to copy this code. For the iOS, you don't have to add any permission to display these images. And also, to change anything in the configuration here, you have to stop the app and press the code here, okay, in the middle here, okay. And now you just run it again. This. So, no, just I think we start from here. Okay, and then if you want to build the app, you just go to terminal here uh, for the Android. Just Flutter build APK and release like this. Then you can build the app and then you can install in your phone. And then for the iOS, I think it's build iOS like this. And then you can install it in your phone after. Okay. Yeah, but you need to configure the certificate or something like um, your developer account. You don't have to buy any account, but you have to register it and configure in the Xcode. Maybe I can do it in another video, but I think that's it for this video. It's too long already. So I will see you in the next video. So if you like this video, just give a comment and tell me, what topic you want to study more, and give a thumb up and share to your friend. So thank you. I will see you in the next video.